Oscar Romero was named Archbishop of San Salvador in 1977. He was known for organizing peaceful protests against the violent military dictatorship. As poverty and political turmoil grew, Romero began openly criticizing the arrests, torture, and even murder of clergy and laypeople at the hands of the government. Romero became a champion of the poor and encouraged people to offer their suffering to Jesus Christ.
The preaching of Romero is really a great example. Romero loved rich people and loved poor people. He wanted to unite them, not to divide.
On March the 24th, 1980, Romero was gunned down while saying Mass in a hospital chapel. His outspokenness against the government had earned him many enemies. But the murder stunned the country, and 250,000 people attended his funeral.